In a futuristic city where robots lived alongside humans, there was a small, shy robot named Spark. Spark was different from the other robots. While most were big and strong, Spark was small and not very confident. He had a shiny metal body and bright, blinking lights for eyes. He loved to fix things, but he was always too scared to speak up or join in with the bigger robots. One day, a problem arose in the city. The power generator, which provided energy to the whole city, began to break down. The bigger robots tried to fix it, but it was too complicated even for them. The lights in the city began to flicker, and everyone was worried. Spark watched from the sidelines, feeling nervous. He knew a lot about fixing things, but he was afraid that the other robots wouldn't listen to him because he was so small. As the city's lights grew dimmer, Spark noticed something that the other robots hadn't. There was a tiny gear deep inside the generator that was stuck. Without thinking, Spark quickly rolled over to the generator. "Excuse me," Spark said quietly, but no one heard him. He tried again. "I think I know what's wrong." The bigger robots looked down at Spark. They were surprised that he was speaking up. "What do you know about this?" One of the bigger robots asked, but not unkindly. Spark took a deep breath. "I can fix it," he said, a bit louder this time. He explained about the stuck gear. The bigger robots decided to give Spark a chance. They moved aside, and Spark carefully used his small tools to reach the tiny gear. With a few quick adjustments, the gear clicked back into place. Suddenly, the power generator hummed to life. The lights in the city became bright again, and everyone cheered. The big robots looked at Spark with new respect. "You did it, Spark," one of them said. "You saved the city." Spark felt proud and happy. He realized that being small didn't mean he couldn't do big things. From that day on, Spark wasn't shy anymore. He was the brave little robot who wasn't afraid to speak up and help when it mattered most.
Now it's quiz time. Question 1. What was the name of the small, shy robot? A. Bolt. B. Flash. C. Spark. D. Gear. Answer: C. Spark. Question 2. What problem occurred in the city? A. The water supply stopped. B. The power generator started to break down. C. The robots went on strike. D. The streets were flooded. Answer: B. The power generator started to break down. Question 3. Why was Spark nervous about speaking up? A. He didn't know how to fix the generator. B. He was afraid the bigger robots wouldn't listen to him. C. He was too busy with other tasks. D. He didn't want to leave his home. Answer: B. He was afraid the bigger robots wouldn't listen to him. Question 4. What did Spark notice about the generator that others didn't? A. A wire was disconnected. B. A tiny gear was stuck. C. The generator was out of fuel. D. A panel was missing. Answer: B. A tiny gear was stuck. Question 5. How did the other robots react after Spark fixed the generator? A. They ignored him. B. They laughed at him. C. They thanked him and respected him. D. They asked him to leave the city. Answer: C. They thanked him and respected him.
Now it's vocabulary time. Futuristic, related to the future, often involving advanced technology or ideas. Generator, a machine that produces electricity or power. Flicker, to shine unsteadily, to go on and off quickly. Adjustments, small changes made to fix or improve something. Respect, a feeling of deep admiration for someone, often because of their abilities or qualities.